If you treat it like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying to talk. I really hate to trip, but I gotta go. As they poke, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Oh, I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like. On my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light. Been spending most of life living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most of life living in the gangster's paradise. Keep spending most of life living in the gangster's paradise. Keep spending most of life living in the gangster's paradise. Look at that situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life. I was raised by the streets, so I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educator, oh, with money on my mind. Got my 10 in my hand and that gleam in my eye. I'm a locked out gangster, set tripping banger, and my whole face is down, so don't arouse my anger. Oh, that ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life, do or die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things is going, I don't know. Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? Been spending most of life living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most of life living in the gangster's paradise. Keep spending most of life living in the gangster's paradise. Keep spending most of life living in the gangster's paradise. Power and the money, money and the power. Minute after minute, hour after hour, everybody's running, but half of them ain't know what's going on in the kitchen. But I don't know what's cooking. They say I got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. They can't understand it. How can they reach me? I guess they can't, I guess they won't, I guess they front. That's why I know my life is out of love, fool.